welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing just a fun, cozy evening video since it's cold as heck outside and it's November now. So I just want to do something a little bit holiday-ish, a little bit cozy, and I want to make it a quick short video so you can get right to your cozy evening. Step 1 is finding the coziest clothes in your closet to wear for your very cozy evening. I have my favorite pink sweatpants and this lovely crew neck that I've made for my shop, the Tia Boutique, and it is on pre-sale now if you guys want to buy it. And also, definitely don't forget a pair of fuzzy pink socks. For step 2, you're going to want to gather all your blankets and cuddle materials. I have my cool blanket, which is my comforter, and my hot/warm blanket, which is this fuzzy Sherpa one. And I'm also grabbing Sean, because he is definitely one of my main cuddle necessities. On to step 3 is making everything look pretty and super relaxing, and I love using these little twinkle lights that are battery powered. And then get your boyfriend to light a candle for you because you can't do it by yourself. Step 4 is food and gathering all your favorites, and I like getting things that make me feel still good after eating them, but definitely guilty pleasures like chocolate covered strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite berry. And then we got some rosé poured in a very fancy way, and this is my favorite one with a little rose on the bottom. And then I really love ruffles with sour cream, and I don't know how common this is, but leave me a comment if you also like this food combo. Sometimes I also like doing a charcuterie board. That's just another fun food idea, which I'll list some others down below too. Step 5 is to pick an activity or a show. One of my favorite things that I just found out is this roulette from Real Good, which picks a show for you. You can select all the different streaming services that you have, like Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and then you can select the genre if you want movies or TV shows, and then it'll just give you a random show. Another activity that I love doing on my cozy night is using a Theragun or doing massages. Honestly, my muscles feel so much better after using it for just like a few minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the perfect cozy evening guide. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.